So to make our single serve pancake, I'm gonna start off by using 1 banana, and I'm just breaking this off into chunks so that we can blend it all together. And then I'm adding in 1 egg. I haven't tried this with a vegan egg or a flax egg, but if you do and it works, let me know. Some coconut flour to bind it together, and a touch of baking powder and vanilla. And then we are just going to blend it until it is nice and smooth. You can definitely mash this up with a fork and stir it all together. I just find blending is easier and makes it quick, and that everything is combined smoothly. So then I took a pan on medium heat, scooped out all of my batter, and once it is nice and golden brown on the underside, because of the banana, it will get like a nice rich caramel color, which is amazing. Flip it over, and then you can finish it off with some fresh fruit, some sliced almonds. You can also add things to the batter itself, so if you wanted to add in the fruit into the pancake as it cooks, that's great as well, but I like topping mine with just some slivered almonds, some blueberries, and there you have a nice single serve pancake for a delicious, healthy breakfast. The next breakfast I've been loving is just making a giant fruit bowl. I find in the summertime when it's really nice and hot, I love having all of the wonderfully colorful fresh fruits, and lately I've been loving a kiwi as well. Kiwi I find is so underrated. It is rich in fiber, especially with the skin. You can definitely eat the skin, and it's so good for you fiber-wise and digestion-wise to eat the skin of the kiwi. I always try to make sure to get organic kiwis for this reason, because I do eat the skin. So I'm just slicing up a couple of kiwis, and then I'm going to be adding that into my bowl. So just loading up my fruit bowl with my favorite fruits. I love the combo of like the kiwi and the berries that I'm going to do. I think it works really well together. And then I'm also add in some organic berries. So I'm doing strawberries and blueberries. You want to try to buy your berries organic, because they are some of the dirtiest fruits and vegetables from the Dirty Dozen. So it's important to get ones that are pesticide free. Loading that into my bowl, and then to finish it off and to add like a nice bit of creamy coolness, I like to add a big fresh dollop of coconut yogurt. This is a coconut kefir. It's really nice and thick. There's 2 ingredients like coconut milk and probiotics. And then to finish off for some texture, I like to add on some cacao nibs. Cacao nibs come from the cocoa plant, and they're really rich in magnesium, antioxidants, and then some hemp hearts for some added protein, some omega-3s, and again, some crunch. So you've got the crunch from the seeds and the cacao nibs, the juicy cool fruit, the creamy whip. This honestly tastes so delicious for a summer breakfast. We've got loads of antioxidants as well, and it's really gonna fuel you. And lastly, I want to show you guys this egg sandwich that I've been making because I saw this on TikTok. This is like my new fave after the whole, egg quesadilla that I've been making lately. This is like a new version. So I'm just whisking a couple eggs until that is nice and combined and smooth. And then we are going to heat a pan to medium heat with a little bit of avocado oil, just so that nothing sticks. And then you're going to be adding in your 2 eggs. You can also season this with salt and pepper, or some garlic powder if you like your favorite seasonings that you like to use for eggs. And then I'm going to be adding in 2 slices of paleo bread. So I love the Unbun brand. It's kind of like my go-to. Putting those in, dipping each side first, and then flipping it over, and then we are going to allow it to cook. And what's great about this is that the egg kind of soaks into the bread and gives it so much flavor. And then once it is kind of cooked through, just gently go ahead and flip it over, and so that way the other side can cook. I'm adding in some vegan cheese. I love the Violife brand because the ingredients are quite clean. And then all you have to do is fold it in half, fold the sides in, and the cheese kind of melts between the egg which, and the egg coats the bread, and it's honestly so delicious. You wrap it up and you have this delicious egg sandwich for a nice, quick and easy breakfast.